let's see a bit how it looks like. Morning at the bottom, at the foot of Cross Mountain. Let's go together. Here we are. You see coffee shops, as I said, over there on the bottom. Let's go and see over there. Below it's written, not my will is done, but your will is done. This is Jesus in the Garden of Gethsemane. And I call them therapy dogs. They're all around here. Really cute, nice dogs. And if you have the chance to give them some water, you know, in the heat, it's always, I think, appreciated by them. There's a nice another coffee shop. We have a spectacular view. I will go there later, but first I would like to show you a little bit the people coming down from and going up from Cross Mountain. I will go up a little with you that you get a feeling for it. And if you want to see, I filmed it several times going up. You can find it in the library of the channel. Right now that you get an impression how it is. A lot of stones, rocky, you have to be careful, looking, watching out step by step. That's the meditation. How it is in life, living in the moment and going step by step. Concentrated in the moment, not in the past, not in the future. Watching out, as Jesus said. Live in the moment. It's written in the Bible. You think worries about the future will make you more happy and healthy? He says, no. Live in the morning. In the moment. This day has troubles enough you have to take care of. That's what he says. And I leave you with this beautiful, beautiful view on the valley of Medjugorje. And the way up to Apparition Hill. And I add a bit of footage going down that you see how it is going down. You see these people, you have to be very concentrated of moving down here. So just that you have an impression how it looks like on the going down. And it's much higher than Apparition Hill, so be prepared. Take water with you. Maybe something to eat. And you see how rocky and stony it is. But when you can come down, when you are down, there is this nice coffee waiting for you, coffee shop. There's 2 or 3 down here. And I will go in this one now and appreciate some time with this beautiful view.